Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another turban tutorial. Now I'll just wrap the fabric around my head. As you can see, I didn't do it properly, so I'll push more of it forward, if that makes sense. Now I'll just check if everything, I like to cover my ears most of the time when I'm doing my turban, so yeah, that's what I was checking. I'll crisscross that in front. My undercup was showing, so I had to push it back a little bit so it doesn't show, Now crisscross that across my face, in front of my head, if that makes sense. Anyway, and wrap that around. Now something with chiffon scarves is that it creates folds on its own, so you don't have to really force to get some folds. So to those of you asking me all about it, that's how you get a lot of them. Now I'll just tie this easy breezy. I'm done, guys. I'm done, and it's as easy as it gets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe as well, and share with your friends. I'd really appreciate that, and I'll see you next time. Stay blessed and assalamu alaikum.